The primary method to connect your Xumo Stream box to your Samsung TV is via HDMI. Use an HDMI 2.0 or higher cable for optimal 4K support. First, plug one end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI output port on your Xumo box. Then, plug the other end into an available HDMI input port on your Samsung TV, such as HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. Once connected, use your Samsung TV remote to select the correct input source. Press the Source button and choose the HDMI input you plug the Xumo box into. If no signal appears, double-check your cable connections, reboot both devices, or ensure both devices are on the latest firmware. For enhanced audio, use ARC. This allows audio from the TV to return to the Xumo box without extra cables. Plug the HDMI cable into the HDMI port labeled ARC on your Samsung TV. Enable ARC in TV settings by going to Sound Output and selecting Receiver HDMI. Also enable ARC or HDMI CC in the Xumo Stream Box settings menu. This setup supports high-quality audio like Dolby Atmos. If issues occur, verify ARC support and secure cable connection.